What's going on, guys? gdwarrior right here. I just wanted to show you my second bike. So that's basically the bike that I've been riding because this bitch is still undergoing some plastic surgery, you know. Sorry to call you bitch, I love you. Anyways, that's my Indian Scout 60. I originally bought it for my fiance. It's a great bike, man. What I did is I changed the pipes, put a Trask performance intake in there and a tuner, and this thing rips, man. I mean, this thing is freaking flying. I got a guy with a breakout. I think he's got a stage 1 on there, but I'm killing him on the road, man. This thing is freaking flying. And let me show you how it sounds like when I turn it up. I'm telling you, this thing is fucking louder than my Warrior. I mean, it's ridiculous. Scout 60, you know, they come with 1000cc. The 1200 version is 1200cc and has ABS and a 6 gear. This has only 5 gears, but this thing is more than enough. Alright, guys. Hopefully this thing is back together soon and I'll be back on the road. Thanks for watching. gdwarrior.